Hello everybody, this is Lorraine with ADHD Alternatives Homestead. I'm in back of my property. We just had a massive amount of rain. And this is the stream that goes around my entire property, but it exits to the creek, the main creek, on a country road up there. I'm going to take you for a walk. Here's my field. And I'm going to take you for a walk to show you how much rain we actually had. So follow me. And we're going to go down my very long driveway. And I hope everybody's doing okay. A shout out to everybody in Louisiana. My heart breaks for you. I know they have a very low elevation there, and they're constantly getting flooded. But so is everybody now on the East Coast and the southeast. We had so much rain. There were actually puddles all over this grass. Unfortunately, it subsided as soon as the rain stops. But you might be able to hear the main creek right now. It is roaring. It's not the first time we've had a massive amount of rain, but literally 3 weeks ago I can walk in this creek. And I was actually walking in the creek because I was relocating some rock that had fallen off the retaining wall, so I was throwing it back on the retaining wall. But check this out, people. Is this amazing? This is Mother Nature. Well, perhaps with a little interference from the powers that be. But you hear it roaring? Now, last winter, we had massive amounts of rain. And this water was creeping up. I mean, you could see that it's only got another 2.5 feet till it's over the property line. But this is the amount of rain we got over the last couple of hours. I was literally able to walk in this creek a couple of weeks ago. I was walking right there. I was stepping on stones, throwing the rocks that had gathered here along the edge here because some of this rock had fallen in. So I was just hauling them over my shoulder and wherever they would land. But I hope everybody's doing well. If we got this much rain in Kentucky, eastern Kentucky, in a short period of time, I can only imagine what you other people in Tennessee and the Carolinas got. So I hope everybody stays safe. We're living in crazy times now. And I just received an alert, another rain alert, that we're going to have more rain within the next 20 minutes. So I'm going to go back to the house. This actually is on my property. I'm going to go back to my house and kind of hunker in for a little while before the next rain falls. Hope everybody's well. This is Lorraine, ADHD Alternatives Homestead in Kentucky.